Welcome to all of you corporate finance professionals worldwide. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central here in Silicon Valley. Today I'd like to share with you a unique bundle of courseware and certification exam voucher from the Corporate Finance Institute. This particular program is designed for your independent self-study towards an achievement of the FMVA certification, Financial Modeling and Valuation Analyst. This credential has been achieved by some 250,000 professionals around the world from companies such as Amazon, JP Morgan, Ferrari, Morgan Stanley, HSBC, Microsoft, PwC, Deloitte & Touche, and beyond. I won't go through all the details, but let me just summarize for you this particular certification path and certification credential are offered in three different formats. First is a instructor-led online program. Second is a self-study online self-paced program. And thirdly, the program I'm sharing with you today is basically all that same content, 14 courses, and your certification voucher, all as raw material for you to use as you see fit. So depending on your time schedule and other professional interests and constraints, this package offers by far the most flexibility for you. I won't go through all the 14 programs and training modules, but let me just mention some of the key highlights. Budgeting and forecasting, financial planning and analysis, monthly cash flow, forecasting models, fundamentals of Excel modeling, as well as fixed income fundamentals, introduction to corporate finance, as well as my personal favorite is building a three-model or three-statement financial model for an organization, large or small. And here, of course, I'm referring to an income statement, a balance sheet, as well as a cash flow or discounted cash flow statement as well. So click on the link below our video. Our website has the full course curriculum and all the raw materials that you will gain lifetime access to. You can take these courses at your own pleasure, obtain your FMVA credential, and begin taking your career and income to new heights. This is Lawrence Wilson for Online Learning Central signing off. I wish you much success. We'll see you soon.